Someone sent you a spreadsheet from OpenOffice. Excel can open it, but it often throws formatting warnings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's make it fully compatible. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific ODS application fails. More details to follow. When discussing data structures, the ODS format is always placed within the spreadsheet file classification. It's stored with the OpenDocument Spreadsheet format. The ODS OpenDocument Spreadsheet file is an open standard spreadsheet format. It is a renamed zip archive containing tables, charts, and data, functioning as the native format for OpenOffice LibreOffice spreadsheets. Governed by the OASIS standard, the format is XML-based and designed for interoperability. Its design is structural. The file bundles XML components into a zip container. This structure ensures high compatibility across different spreadsheet programs, including the ability for Microsoft Excel to read and write the format. For direct reading of ODS content, the best choice is LibreOffice Calc, developed by the Document Foundation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows offers only minimal insight, so spreadsheet analytics must be performed in a proper application. To unlock this specific ODS file, right-click your file and select Open With. If LibreOffice Calc is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. Since this ODS format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, use native compatible software. Open the file using LibreOffice Calc or OpenOffice Calc, which support the format natively, or use Microsoft Excel. Next, convert to XLSX online. Use a reliable online converter, like Cloud Convert, to convert the ODS file to a standard XLSX format. Finally, update software. Ensure your primary spreadsheet application, Excel, LibreOffice, is updated to the latest version to maintain support for current ODS features and fix bugs. If your ODS file resisted every application on your machine, you need software designed to ignore compatibility errors. That's the kind of tool we move to next to try and fix this ODS issue. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the ODS problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. Remember to always back up your original files first. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.